AI is moving faster than ever. It's writing, it's coding, it's designing, and in some cases, even thinking for us. So the big question is what happens to your career when AI gets even better? Well, here's the good news. There are certain high income skills that AI simply can't replace, and not in 2026, and not anytime soon. And if you master them now, you won't just survive the AI revolution, you will thrive. In this video, I'll share 6 powerful skills that will keep you relevant, valuable, and in demand, no matter what AI can do. And stay till the end because I'll give you practical ways to start developing these skills today. So before we dive in, let's get one thing very clear. AI is not your enemy. It's not about man versus machine. It's about man with machine. AI is amazing at data crunching, speed and automation. But there are things it still can do. Things that require human connection, cognitive capabilities, ethics, and creativity. And that's where these 6 skills come in. Think of them as your career insurance policy in the age of artificial intelligence. Skill number 1, communication and persuasion. AI can draft an email, it can generate a presentation, but can it look a client in the eye, build trust, negotiate a deal, or inspire a team? Not really. The strong communication, whether it is speaking, writing, or storytelling, is still the most powerful way to influence. Think about a startup founder pitching investor. The deck might be AI generated, but the conviction, the passion, the ability to answer questions in that moment, that's 100% human. So, how to develop this skill? Practice storytelling. Share a small story every day, even on LinkedIn, in case you are there as a part of your personal brand. Join a public speaking group or a Toastmasters group. Record yourself explaining an idea in 90 seconds and then refine it. People don't invest in ideas, they invest in people who can communicate with them. Skill number 2, emotional intelligence. Now, emotional intelligence is something which AI can't do. AI can analyze sentiments, but it does not feel. It can't sense when your colleague is stressed or when a client needs reassurance. Emotional intelligence is about understanding your own emotions and those of others, and it is a superpower in leadership, sales, negotiation, and teamwork. Imagine 2 managers. One only pushes deadlines, and he is known for this, and the other notices morale is low, acknowledges the struggle, and motivates the team. Which one do you think people will follow long term? Now, how to build this skill? Practice, practice, practice active listening. Don't just hear, but reflect back what people say. Ask more questions than you answer. Keep a daily journal to track your emotions and triggers. And in the future, EQ, which is emotional quotient, will matter more than IQ, which is intelligent quotient. Skill number 3, creativity and innovation. Creativity? Yes, AI can generate art, logos, even music, and it is remixing existing data. True creativity is about connecting the dots in new ways, solving problems as nobody saw, and imagining futures AI hasn't been trained on. For example, Airbnb wasn't created by an algorithm. It was born when two designers decided to rent out AI mattresses during a conference. And that's human creativity, which is irreplaceable. So, in order to build this, how to practice creativity? Use brainstorming frameworks like Scamper or what if scenarios, and try to expose yourself to different fields, dimensions, and read outside your domain. Do one small creative challenge daily. Write a poem, a sketch, redesign a process. AI can assist, but humans innovate. Skill number four, critical thinking and judgment. AI can give you an answer, but can you trust it? That's where human judgment comes in. Critical thinking means analyzing, questioning, and making decisions even with incomplete data. Think about doctors. AI can suggest possible diagnosis, but the doctor has to weigh patient history, ethics, and risk before making a call. Ways to improve on this skill, which is critical thinking, is do not accept the first answer. Ask what evidence supports this, and use the five whys techniques to get to the root cause of the problem, which is known as RCA. Debate ideas with peers to test your reasoning. The leaders of the future won't be the ones who know the best. They will be the ones who can filter noise from truth. Skill number five, adaptability and lifelong learning. The world is changing fast, and new industries, new tools, new rules. Those who resist change will struggle, but those who adapt and learn continuously will always win. Think about people who embraced digital marketing. They became leader in a field that did not even existed 20 years ago. The same will happen with AI and emerging technology. How to build adaptability is the game changer. Try to commit to learning one new skill every quarter. Try to stay curious like a child. Experiment with AI tools instead of fearing them. Reframe challenges as opportunities to grow. The future belongs to the learners, not the knowers. Skill number six, leadership and strategic vision. AI can manage tasks, but it cannot lead people. Leadership is about vision, courage, decision making under uncertainty, and inspiring others to act. During the pandemic, leaders who communicated hope and clarity, not just data, were the ones who held organizations together. Now, how to sharpen your leadership skills? There are a few things like learn to articulate a clear vision of what you are thinking, what you have. Practice decision making with imperfect information or incomplete information. Mentor or coach others. It builds influence and responsibilities. And in 2026, the most valuable professionals won't just manage processes, they will lead people. AI as partner, not replacement, is going to be the acceptance. So let us be clear. AI will replace many tasks, but it won't replace you if you build these skills. Think of AI as your assistant. It handles the heavy lifting, so you can focus on what is uniquely human: communication. empathy, creativity, judgment, adaptability, and leadership. And all these needs to be built and nurtured over a period of time. So the six high income skills that AI can't replace are again communication, emotional intelligence. We drilled down and we saw it. Creativity, the complete canvas. Critical thinking, we saw asking questions. Is how powerful is that? Adaptability, leadership. If you commit to building even two or three of these at least this year, you are already ahead of the curve. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these six do you think is your strongest, and which one do you want to improve? Drop your answers in the comments, which I read every month, and which I read. And if you found this useful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is worried about the AI future. Remember, AI won't replace you, but someone who masters these skills is definitely going to. See you in the next video.